Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am revamping my tiny bathroom on a budget. If you're interested in seeing how I revamp my bathroom by adding some new pieces and making it less cluttered, then continue watching. This is what the bathroom looked like before. As you can see, it's not a lot of storage space. I had to create storage space because there's no cabinets in this bathroom at all. And this is pretty much what I was working with. I wanted to change that picture out. And this was the shower curtains that I had previously. So I'm just going to be changing that as well and taking out a few things and adding in some new pieces. All right, you guys, this is how the bathroom turned out, and I really like it. It didn't take too long either. And what you see here is called an over the toilet storage. I did get that from Target. I got the plant from TJMAXX, and the lamp is from IKEA. And this picture here, I did also get it from TJMAXX. I got it from the clearance section. It was a really good deal, and I love how this picture does add to the bathroom. And this is also from TJMAXX. Inside, I did add some bath salts, but that was from Burlington's. And this is the inside of the cabinet. And I just went ahead and added 2 towels. I kept it really simple. I didn't add too much. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.